Alright, so what we have here is just a little broken blaster. It is a... oh hell. Well, it was a Air Warriors Ultra-Tek Gem. Little 3-shotter here. The pull tab for priming has broke out of it, so it's no longer able to prime. You can see right in there, there's into the broken pull. So this one's basically shot and trash. But you get free spring, free spring, free spring, a little 3-shot receiver here. Might be able to do something with it. Still has the air restrictor is left in it. Leave that there till I figure out what exactly I want to do with it. But that I'll keep. Since the primer's shot, I won't keep the air tube. That's trash. Trash. I rather doubt they'll be able to find an interesting use for the trigger, but screw that spring, I got enough of them. Basically, when I get a broken blaster that doesn't like to work, or buy one that doesn't work for a cheap price, I'll shell them and keep the shell right there for safekeeping. And keep these little screws, because never know when you might lose one of them and you might need to replace one in another blaster or building something else. Keep the little springs. Never know, they might be a little stronger than something else. Replace for a stronger push spring in something else, or might accidentally pop one out of a gun and need something else to replace it. Put them over now. And always keep the priming spring, because you might be able to double up with another one. Never know. Pretty nice. I might go into another blaster at a later time. There you go. There's a simple breakdown of a simple blaster.